Hi everyone. Today I'm making for you fried mozzarella sticks. Now what I have here is 4 eggs, a cup of flour, a cup and a half of plain breadcrumbs, to which I've added a teaspoon of granulated garlic and a half a teaspoon of salt. Now this recipe should be made with the brick mozzarella because although I love fresh mozzarella, if you try to make the mozzi sticks with that, the fresh mozzarella is too moist and it will fall apart. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut the mozzarella like this. This here will make like 20 mozzarella sticks. And I'm going to cut them like a French fry, the size of a French fry, or maybe a little bigger. But this is what they're going to look like. And so I'm going to finish doing this. And by the way, this is a knife that I received from Nakano. And they want me to test it out and see what I think of it. So far, it's pretty good. It's a very sturdy knife, very sharp, and I like it. And if you're looking to purchase any of these knives, I'll put the link in the description below. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to dip in flour, coat it well. Then I'm going to dip it in the egg. And then in the breadcrumbs. Make sure you coat it well. You could do a double dip if you want. Like put it in the egg again. And then the breadcrumbs. You don't have to. It's not necessary, but it gives it a little crunchier. So I'm going to put all of the mozzarella sticks on a tray, and then I'm going to freeze them for about 45 minutes to an hour. If you don't freeze them, they're too warm, and when you go to fry them, they'll just fall apart. So I'm going to do all of these, bread them all, and put them in the freezer. And when I'm ready to fry, I'll be back and show you what I do. Okay, so the mozzarella sticks have been in the freezer for about an hour. And what I'm going to do, make sure the oil is very, very hot. And now I'm going to fry them. Make sure the oil is hot, like I said.
Sounds hot.
Looks good, huh? Don't crowd them. They already smell good. Wait a couple of minutes and then turn them. Oh, wow. There we go. The oil certainly is hot. Wow. Look at that. Delicious. I'm going to cook these up and then I'll be back to taste them. Look at this. I'm sure you're going to love them. Look at this. These are a little too dark, but these right here, great. I'll be back when I'm finished frying them all. Okay, so the second batch came out better. You have to lower the flame. I had the flame too hot on the first one, and so they got really, really brown. This batch came out a hell of a lot better. And I just want to show you what they look like. This is delicious. You dip them in sauce. You can have them plain. Let's give this a taste. That's good. Mozzarella sticks. Really good. Oh my. I hope you try them. Don't forget, the recipe is on the bottom of the video. Also, there's a link for the knives if you want to order a knife. But these are really good. I hope you try them. Mmm.